Let me teach you how to play Seben in 4 minutes. Of A, and the progression is 1 5 4 5. So that is 1 5 4 5. So A E D E A. So the first part of the bass line is very simple. So all we're playing is 5 1 5 4. So we're playing the octaves. So the next part is over here. So after we play the so we're playing the 6. So I'm muting the E string, mute the G string, then play the octave of the 6. So and when I start, I'll play this. So 6 octaves of the 6, 3 5. And then 6 4 4. And the next time I can play 2 3 4. I can also play that, so 2 3 2 3. And then I'll play. So so 1 1 1 2 6 6 5 6 6 6 5, and then 4.